Hi guys, it's Robbie here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we're going to be doing a BoxyLuxe unboxing. So this is the BoxyCharm BoxyLuxe for this month. I'm so excited to try what's in here. And I'm going to do this video as a try-on style, as I always do. I'm going to try out each and every single product in here on my face with you guys for the first time on camera. And I'll tell you guys how I feel about it, as well as I'll show you guys what is in here. So for no further ado, let's jump right in. Alright, so I just got out of the shower. I have literally nothing on my face right now except for some lip balm. My hair is still wet. So now let's go ahead and open up the first thing in the box. It's kind of heavy. I don't want to drop it. Okay. The theme is BoxyCharm Getaway. It's really cute, very summery, and it has the list of all the products that we're gonna see in this box right here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the first thing in here, which is this one. So I'm just gonna open it up. It is a hair dryer. Okay, and in the back you have these two attachment heads to put onto your hair dryer. Really small, really convenient for traveling. The thing is, if you have watched my hair care secrets video, I will link it down below if you haven't watched it. I did say that I don't really use a hair dryer because I try to avoid as much heat as I can on my hair. This is like a mini one, so I can kind of see myself taking this with me on a trip. Oh, and let me tell you the retail price for this one. This one retails for $85. That's pretty expensive for a little hair dryer. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug this in, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair and see how it feels. So this is the one I'm gonna use. This is like the basic foolproof attachment head. All right, let's pop this in. It's supposed to be like this, right? I think, or like this, vertically or horizontally. I don't think it matters. So I'm gonna put it like that. And hope it's the right way to do it. Okay. So I just finished blow drying my hair, and this is my final thoughts on the PYT mini hair dryer. I think it works. It is pretty powerful for little hair dry. It dries my hair really quickly, and I like that it comes with two attachment heads. I don't know what I'm going to use this for, but I'll figure it out soon. Other than that, I think it's super convenient for traveling, and I really like it. It's great quality. Okay, next thing in the box, I'm going to be grabbing this one right here. Okay, so this is the Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast Styling and Finishing Spray. So this is a volumizing hairspray, and it retails for $29. So I'm just gonna shake it up and try it on my, regular hair. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up. All right. It smells really fresh, and it smells like fresh Connie kind of scent, and it's not overpowering, so I really like that. I can definitely see a difference. Do you guys see it? Like, I do feel like my hair is more voluminous because of the texture. It does give it like a little bit of like a crunchy feeling because that's how it gives texture to your hair, but it's not like the annoying like super crunchy texture that you just can't wait to wash your hair. Like that kind of feeling, like I just hate it. But this is like really soft and sort of like it's touchable almost, so I like that. And I do feel like my hair looks great, like a little bit bigger, and I really like it. Okay, so let's move on to the next products that we have in the box. This is the Dr. Brandt Clean Biotic pH Balance Yogurt Cleanser with Chlorophyll, and this retails for $35. So I'm gonna use this cleanser on my face right now, and I literally have a bowl of water right in front of me, so I'm kind of nervous about this, but we shall see how it goes. I'm gonna get my towel. Okay, this should be good. So that, see that? It smells so much like Cetaphil, and the texture is very similar to Cetaphil too. Interesting. So let's just go ahead and try it on my face. I'm going to wet my face with some water. Okay, let's put this on. I'm gonna hold my towel up so that it wouldn't drip all over my body. My skin feels feels really soft and nice, and I don't feel like stripped. You know, like it's not drying or anything. It just feels really balanced. To be honest, I feel like this is like a bougie version of Cetaphil, because when I apply this on my face, it feels so similar to Cetaphil. But this has like the yogurt and the chlorophyll, so maybe if I use it for like a long time, I will see like an improvement, like a difference on my skin. But upon first impression, I just feel like the texture, the smell, and how it performs in terms of cleansing your face is very similar to Cetaphil, and I love Cetaphil. And my skin feels super soft, so I really like this. I'm excited to continue using this. Okay, so I just took my headband off, and the next product is going to be this one right here. This is the Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. So this is a facial mist, and they said in here you can also use this as your makeup setting spray. It has truffle in here, and it retails for $35. That's pretty expensive for a facial mist. I'm excited to try it out, so let's go ahead and try it. I don't know how fine the mist is in here, so I'm just gonna spray it onto the air to try it first, because I don't want it to like spit into my face, you know? Oh, okay. Not bad. Not like a continuous, super fine mist, but it's not bad. Okay, you guys. I really like the sensation of this mist. It's super cooling and almost like a little bit minty. It's not tingling, don't get me wrong. It's cooling, not tingling, and it's a little bit minty, and it just feels so refreshing on the face, and I could just spray this on my face all day long. Like I love how it feels. The mist is not the best though, because it's not like super like harsh on the skin or whatever. It's okay, but I do feel like some droplets of water on my face when I tap it in, so it's not like super fine. So I don't really think this would be like a good makeup setting spray for that reason, because like the little droplets of water might mess up your makeup. But as of right now, when I spray this on my face with just bare skin for the purpose of refreshing my skin, I really like it. It feels amazing on the skin. Okay, so let's move on to the next product in the box. Let's see what we have in here. I'm going to be grabbing this one right here. This is the Touch in Sol Noir Portblum Prime Essence. So this is like a primer, and let me open this up. It looks like this. It's super cute, and this one retails for $23. So before, I already got the Touch in Sol No Portblum the primer, like the original primer, and I really like that one, so I'm really excited to try this. This is also a primer, but maybe like in an essence form, so maybe the texture might feel different. I'm gonna go ahead and try this on the back of my hand for you to see the texture. Oh wow, it's like super runny. Doesn't really have any smell to it. It sinks into the skin almost immediately, and your skin just feels like really kind of like velvety and smooth, and I feel like it feels like skincare, you know? Like it feels so nice on the back of my hand right now. I just feel like if I didn't know that this was like a primer, I would think this is like just like an essence like for skincare, because it feels so nourishing on the back of my hand. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and try this on my face because I am so excited. My face feels so soft right now. I don't know what it is, the cleanser, the mist, or this primer, but I love how my face feels. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put on some foundation and do my brows, because there aren't any foundation products in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put on some foundation and I have my brows on, and I really do like this primer. I feel like it sinks into the skin very quickly. It feels like skincare, like an essence, and it just feels really nourishing on the face. And I do notice that it's very smoothing. My pores are like minimized when I apply this on, and foundation goes on top of this primer flawlessly. So I really like this. Move on to the next product. The next product I'm gonna grab is gonna be this one right here. Okay, so this one is the Tarteist Pro Glow 3 Cheek Palette, and it retails for $45. So you open it like this, and this is the inside. Very pretty. You have your blush, you have your highlighters, and you have your bronzers. It's really convenient. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the blush. I'm just gonna mix both of them because I mean I want to try all, so why not? Ooh, it's a little bit powdery. There's a lot of kickback. The color is really nice on the skin, but there's a lot of kickback on the blush. Okay, it looks really nice on my cheeks. I really like this shade. And then I'm going to proceed to do my bronzer. I'm gonna mix again. This one is like a matte bronzer, and this one has a little bit of shimmer in it. I don't think I'll like this one too much. I'm just gonna try a little bit of it. If it's too shimmery for my liking, I'll just stick with this one and not mix. So I'm just gonna try mixing first, just a tiny bit. So the bronzer doesn't really have like a kickback like the blush. Okay, now onto the highlighter. I'm still gonna mix both of the shades. So no kickback. The only powder that has a lot of kickback is the blush, the highlighter, and the bronzers are fine. Ooh, it's very glowy. I like that. And I'm also gonna put a little bit of this onto my eyelids. Okay, so we're done with this palette, and this is my final thought on it. So for the blushes, I feel like the colors are nice and they do look really nice on the skin, but they're not something like special, you know, because there's a lot of kickback. And for Tarte blushes, their Amazonian clay blushes are amazing, but this is not it. So I'm kind of a little bit disappointed. Like, it could work on your face for sure, like it works, but the kickback is just not up to Tarte standards, for me at least. And then for the highlighter, I think they look super blinding, as you can see right here. But if you look up close, I don't like highlighters that I can see like little specks of glitter. It's not super finely milled, so I don't really like that. So for that reason, I think it's okay. Like, I don't love it, I don't hate it, I just think it's okay. That's just personal preference. For the bronzer, I don't like this one because I don't really use shimmer bronzer. I only use this one and I think it's okay. Like, it doesn't have a lot of kickback. So overall, I think this palette is just okay. It does what it needs to do, but it's not like amazing, you know. So let's just move on to the next product. The next thing in the box I'm gonna grab is gonna be this one right here. This is the Trestique Good Vibes mascara, and it retails for $25. That is pretty expensive for a mascara, but this one is not just any regular mascara. It has a built-in eyelash curler in here, so that is pretty exciting. So this one is smaller than your regular eyelash curler, so you don't do everything all at once, but you do your eyelashes by section. This way you can make sure that every single lash is curled. So I'm gonna try and do that. I'm nervous. I don't want to poke my eyes, but let's see. Beauty is pain. So now I'm just gonna use the mascara side of this. So you just pop this cap back in and then you twist and there's your mascara. Now I'm gonna apply this onto my eyelashes. Ow, okay, I just blinked. That's not good. Ah! I'll be right back. How pretty do I look right now? Such a beauty guru. I got mascara everywhere. So if this happens to you, don't freak out. I mean, freak out a little bit, but not too much, because it's okay to freak out sometimes. Okay, freak out a little bit and then wait for it to sort of dry and grab a Q-tip. And what you're gonna do is you're just gonna gently wipe it away without like smudging it everywhere. So I'm going to do that. Okay, I'm gonna proceed to put on mascara without talking because I really need to focus. I don't want it to get all over the place again, so serious. Okay, you guys, so these are my eyelashes with the mascara on. I wish it would be a little bit more volumizing or lengthening, but this is not bad. You know, it's a cool new concept. I'm not mad about it, but I don't like love it. So I think this one is also okay. Let's move on to the other makeup product. So I'm gonna grab this one right here. Okay, so this one is the Dominique Cosmetics Lip Gloss Lemonade in the shade Peach Tea, and it retails for $17. Ooh, it's very pretty. It smells like vanilla, caramel, like just sweet and delicious stuff, you know, like that. It's like a corally pink sheer gloss. So now I'm just gonna apply this on my lips. Okay, so it's a very sheer gloss, so you don't really see much of a color, but this is what it looks like on my lips. It's very pretty and it feels so nourishing and comfortable. It feels like lip balm on your lips, so I really like that. Okay, let's move on to the very last product in the box, and it's this one right here. Okay, so this is the Pharmacy Honeymoon Glow AHA Resurfacing Night Serum. So it's a night serum for your face, and it retails for $58. So that's pretty expensive, but it's understandable because it's skincare and it's a serum. Okay, so the bottle looks like this. So I'm just gonna test this on the back of my hand right here, because I mean it's skincare, so it's gonna take a while to see any difference. So upon first impression, the only thing that I could tell you is how I feel about the smell, the texture, and how it feels on my skin initially, but I wouldn't be able to tell you whether it works or not. So yeah, let's just go ahead and test this out on my hand. I'm just gonna put one pump on my hand. It's a serum, but the texture, it's kind of thicker than I would expect from a serum. It's like a lightweight moisturizer texture almost. It sinks into the skin pretty quickly too. It smells like honey. It makes my skin feel nourished and a little bit softer, so I like that. I'm excited to continue using this to see if it does anything to my face, so I'm very excited for this. And I love the brand Pharmacy because it's a clean beauty brand. So yeah, I'm very excited about everything that we got in this month's box, and that's pretty much everything in here. Let me check one more time, see if there's anything. Okay, nope. That's it, you guys. That's everything that is in this month's Boxy Luxe box. Alright, so the total value of everything in this month's box is $352. That is amazing because you only pay $50 for the entire thing. And I do feel like we got a lot of goodies in this month's box. My favorite items would have to be this Essence Primer and the Skin Mist because they feel amazing on the skin. I also really like this one too, but it feels like Cetaphil, but it does make my skin feel really soft. So I'm going to continue using this to see if it does anything extra for my skin. So overall, I really like these products. And if you want to check out BoxyCharm, I will link them down below. You check them out. And yeah, that is pretty much everything that I have to share with you in this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more videos like this, please make sure to hit like for this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and comment down below your favorite products in this month's box. I will love check it out, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!